My people that's watching, my people watching on TikTok, y'all come on over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Make sure y'all come on over. Yeah, y'all check out my YouTube channel, TikTokers. It's about to be over with for y'all. Get closer. My food still ain't ready. Hey, man. Okay. Hey, look out, Rebel. You know about some racing, man? Okay. I hope you know something, man. I had got you in here. I wanted to tell you to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Lookout Racing. Well, that was the truck for the win. Truck for the win. Yeah, let's go check on these nachos now, y'all. Oh, you know that red sauce the hottest one. Don't play with that. Don't be playing with that. My brother came up here playing with that. Thought it was alright. Thought that red sauce was. I invited Lookout here, never answered in Orlando. Where y'all talking about y'all done invited me yet? I done forgot about it, man. Re-invite. Look, they ain't started on mine yet. Hi from TikTok, Laura Lee. Hey, Laura Lee. Laura Lee over here from TikTok. Oh, there go my nachos right there. Yeah, miss.
You need to know what's on it?
No, I don't need to know.
Yeah, let me know how it tastes.
Okay, I'm gonna see right now. Hey, yo quiero. Oh yeah, y'all check out my. Hold on, y'all. Y'all check out my nachos. See what we working with. Yeah, I seen him. I hear him over there out jamming. Oh, that's what else? Look out, look out. What this look? You on my YouTube channel? You on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing. Can you subscribe or tell you delay through Theo or something? Yeah, Lookout Racing. You got everybody looking with the pink on. Everybody, yeah, they. You say you know him. I got somebody who went to school with you on here. Who was that? Wesley Schaefer? Yeah, Wesley Schaefer said he went to school. And Ruler Ramundo. I got two people on here, Ruler Ramundo. They talking about, you race cars? She don't race cars, y'all. Is your name Maria? Oh, no, that ain't her, fool. That ain't her. They thought you was Maria, miss. No, that ain't her. Nah, they talking about that hot pink working. Yeah, they say that hot pink working, miss. Already. Yeah, make sure you subscribe with they though. You on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yeah, it's going down like Kodak when he just got out of jail. Yeah, Lookout Racing. Don't forget, tell somebody for me, please. Already. You on there too? Oh, okay, I was about to say, I thought she said she was on there. We were gonna put your shout out in. Okay. Alright. Alright, look out, y'all. Look out, look out. TikTokers. We over here on YouTube. We're gonna holler at y'all. Lookout Racing is the YouTube channel to be at. Look out, look out. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Let me taste these nachos.
Motherfucker, I be trying to call you and shit.
And then I call you back. And then you
goddamn-
don't answer. When you call me, I call you right back and you don't never answer, bro. I swear to God, bro. What's up with it, bro?
Shit.
Anything?
Yeah.
We over here eating, y'all.
What you eating on, man?
Some nacho.
What kind of shit is that?
Doritos.
Nah, man, that shit look. Nah, hell nah, that shit. Hell nah. I'ma get what it look at I always get. What you always get, look at?
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
Yeah.
Where the line at?
Right behind me.
Where Jack at? Where Jack at?
Look out, Jackie is waiting on me to slide. Where Jackie at? Oh.
Wrong camera facing right there. Right there. Little mama right there by the truck.
They ain't working with nothing. Little PC. Oh, okay. Oh, she already got somebody. Oh, I thought Jackie was talking about doing something. I was about to say, all right, Jackie. Jackie, you got a small block or big block? Jackie said she got a boyfriend, y'all. I just want to know your engine specs. Can you at least tell me? Small block, big block. You got a cam? Is it already tuned? Do you keep your oil change? What kind of oil you use? Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out the engine.